We're heading to dinner to SM, what is it called? Telebistagan?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe go to Max's restaurant, get some chicken or something for dinner. We're leaving Mansfield Residences, which is technically in Santo Domingo, the barrio of Angeles City, Philippines. But this is what it looks like in the evening around dinner time. Oh, it takes a good picture. This place is getting busier and busier as they build more and more houses. The way people park sometimes. Half on the sidewalk, half in the street.
Yeah, they don't park into their garage.
Yeah, most people use their garage for like a patio or entertainment area because they're so close to houses here put together. A lot of them have like a dirty kitchen in the back or something like that, they call it, where you can prepare foods in the back of the house, outside, like a little patio. But most people use it to cook outside, have a barbecue, that kind of thing. Here's the security gate. We're coming out to the main road here. What is this called again? Phil Am Highway, something like that. Yeah, I think it's called Phil Am Friendship Highway. You might see very quickly that there's really no road rules here. Like you don't have to stay in your same lane or the proper lane. If you want to bypass somebody, you can go in the opposite lane of traffic. Some cars and motorcycles even ride on the sidewalk to bypass traffic. But you try not to hit people when you do that. That's a good thing. You're going to see shortly one of the intersections here by the mall, and the best way to describe it is a controlled crash, something like that.
You have to watch the people and trike and motorcycle.
Yeah, you have a lot of distractions here and a lot of things going on at the same time. You got people walking or crossing in front of you. You have these tricycles like this guy here that comes out in the middle of the road. Then you have motorcycles by themselves. Like there's like two of them trying to pass us on the right now. They almost crashed into that car. A lot of fruit stands and vegetable stands on the side of the roads. And believe it or not, they have everything here. Most corners, major intersections here have a McDonald's or what they call a Jollibee as well, or Chow King. What else do they have?
Burger King.
Burger King too. Yeah, they got Burger King. Here's two of the trikes on the right hand side. Yeah, they're probably turning right. Not always though. I had a guy yesterday come out of the complex with me and tried to pass me on the left even when I was turning left. So that's always a thing that's going to happen, or you have to expect to happen here. This This is City of San Fernando if you go to the right, Angela City to the left, and SM Mall Televistagen is also right here in front of us and to the left. They have a movie theater, supermarket. They also have this supermarket here too called Save More right in front of us. But they have a big mall, and most of their malls are huge. A lot of people frequent the mall here, especially on hot days or days that there's no school or anything like that. They'll just take the kids to the mall. Got air conditioning and everything you could want, food, drinks, shopping, of course. This is where we call control crash, if you see what I mean. People crossing in front of us, same time we're turning, and here's the mall on the right. If I can get over. Also, you'll notice recently there's a lot of new vehicles on the road. Everybody seems to have a new car. New Toyota, Honda, something or another. A lot of Jeepneys. Most of them are pretty old. They look run down. Most of them look like they have bald tires. Here's a McDonald's on the left coming up here. We also have the gas stations like, what is it, Shell, like we have in the U.S. Shell gas station here. And that's probably one of the best gas stations here is probably Shell. We're going to get in over here to the mall. As long as nobody's trying to pass us on the right. With a motorcycle or something. Let's see if we can find parking over here somewhere. A lot of times pulling into the mall, security will stop you randomly with a mirror to look under your car. I'm not sure what they're looking for.
Looking for bombs.
Bombs or something? I don't know.
There we go.
Yeah, and we're getting stopped. He'll go around with the mirror and check us out.
Check underneath.
Make sure we're not from one of those countries that blow people up and blow themselves up. Which is nice. I like that. I like the security. Even at our place where we stay, Mansfield, security's great. They drive around 24 hours a day and night. Make sure everybody's okay. If you need them, you can just call them and they're right there. Constantly security walking around. Oh, maybe I got a parking spot right here.
Can we park?
Yep. Thank you, sir. Let's make sure I don't hit the cars. Very tight parking spots here in the Philippines, especially at the mall.
Too much vehicle.
Too many vehicles. A lot of big vehicles now. Like we got a Toyota SUV, Toyota Fortuner they call it. They don't sell it in the U.S., but they sell it here in the Philippines. This is what it looks like inside. Runs on diesel. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello from the Philippines.
From the Philippines. There's no Fortuner in U.S.?
No, no such thing. They call it the 4Runner maybe or something like that. They changed the names to a lot of vehicles here.
Okay.
Guys, we'll talk to you later when we get out of the mall. Thank you. Bye-bye.